Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about something crucial when it comes to managing your finances, how to start with a budget. If you're looking to take control of your money and set yourself up for financial success, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Start with a budget. Starting with a budget is the first step to taking control of your finances. A budget helps you track where your money is going and ensures you're spending within your means. It's about setting clear limits on categories like rent, groceries, entertainment, and savings. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple framework. Allocate 50% to essentials, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings or investments. By budgeting, you can identify areas to cut back, avoid impulse spending, and prioritize long-term financial goals like building wealth or paying off debt. It's the foundation for financial stability. Build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is one of the most important steps in securing your financial future. An emergency fund is money set aside to cover unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or even job loss. Without one, you might be forced to rely on credit cards or loans during tough times, which can lead to debt. Ideally, you should aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This gives you enough cushion to handle emergencies without financial stress. Start small if you need to. Saving even $500 can be a good starting point. Gradually increase the fund as you earn more or reduce unnecessary spending. Keep your emergency fund in a safe, easily accessible place like a high-yield savings account where it earns some interest but is still easy to access when needed. Having this financial cushion will give you peace of mind and help you avoid going into debt when life throws a curveball. Start investing early. Starting to invest early is one of the best decisions you can make for building wealth. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest, the process where your earnings generate their own earnings. Even if you can only invest a small amount at first, the key is consistency. Consider low-cost options like index funds or ETFs, which provide broad market exposure and are perfect for beginners. The longer your money stays invested, the more it can grow, making starting early a powerful tool for securing your financial future. Master debt management. Mastering debt management is crucial for building wealth. The first step is identifying and prioritizing high-interest debts, like credit cards, which can quickly grow if left unpaid. Focus on paying off these debts first using the debt avalanche method, which saves you the most on interest. Alternatively, the debt snowball method can be motivating. Pay off smaller debts first for quick wins. Once high-interest debt is under control, consider consolidating or refinancing options for lower rates. Managing debt wisely allows you to free up more money for savings and investments, accelerating your path to financial security. Automate your savings and investments. Automating your savings and investments is a simple way to stay consistent and disciplined with your finances. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts each month. This ensures that you prioritize saving before spending, making it easier to build wealth over time. Whether it's contributing to an emergency fund, a retirement account, or investing in index funds, automation removes the temptation to spend what you intended to save. By automating, you make saving and investing a habit, helping you stay on track with your financial goals effortlessly. Increase your income. Increasing your income is a powerful way to accelerate your wealth building journey. You can start by negotiating a raise at your current job or exploring higher paying opportunities in your field. Another option is to take on a side hustle, such as freelancing, tutoring, or starting an online business. There are countless ways to earn extra income today thanks to the gig economy. The more you earn, the more you can save, invest, and pay off debt faster. Diversifying your income sources also helps provide financial stability and creates more opportunities for long-term growth. Focus on long-term goals. Focusing on long-term goals is key to building lasting wealth. Instead of getting caught up in short-term impulses or instant gratification, it's important to stay committed to your bigger financial picture. like saving for retirement, buying a home, or achieving financial independence. Break these long-term goals into smaller, actionable steps and track your progress regularly. Patience is crucial. Wealth building takes time, and sticking to your plan through market fluctuations or challenges will pay off. By keeping your eyes on the prize and staying consistent, you'll build the financial security you want over the long haul. All right, that wraps up today's video. I hope these tips help you get started on the path to building wealth. Remember, it's all about consistency and making smart choices over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.